Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in Manchester. House number 1. This is a 7-bedroom, 3-bathroom house located in Kirkvine, Manchester. The size of this house is approximately 3,100 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 27.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go and take a look. Here we have the living area. Next is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. This house has 7 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 7 were shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms in all, however only 1 out of the 3 is being shown. That will then end house number 1. House number 2. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located on Confidence Avenue in Mandeville, Manchester. The size of this lot is approximately 7,156 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 27 million Jamaican dollars. As we move from the front of the house, we go on the inside. Here we have the living area. We move right along to the kitchen. And next is the bedroom. This house has 3 bedrooms, however only 1 out of the 3 is being shown. Up next is the bathroom. Out of the 2 bathrooms that this house has in total, only 1 out of the 2 is being shown. That will then end house number 2. House number 3. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is located on McKinley Close in Mandeville, Manchester. The size of this house is approximately 2,500 square feet and it is for sale at a cost of $170,000 US. Here we're on the inside. This is the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 4 is being shown. Next is the bathroom. Only 1 out of the 3 bathrooms that this house has is being shown. That will then end house number 3. House number 4. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house located on Wesley Road in Mandeville, Manchester. The size of this house is approximately 2,481 square feet and it is for sale at a cost of 25 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a look on the inside. Here we have the living area. We then move on to the kitchen. Up next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is just a glimpse of the second bedroom. We don't have a full image, unfortunately. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 4 were shown. Up next is the bathroom. Out of the 3 bathrooms that this house has, only 1 is being shown. That will then end house number 4. House number 5. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in Mandeville, Manchester. The size of this house is approximately 4,000 square feet and it is being sold at a cost of 25 million Jamaican dollars. As we go on the inside, we have the kitchen. From this image, you can also see a glimpse of the living and dining area. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of the 4 bedrooms that this house has, only 2 is being shown. Lastly, we have the bathroom. And from here we head to the back of the property. That will then end house number 5. That also brings us to the end of the video. So if you were interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I will be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.